Hi, in this video we will see how to use the Pivotal Binary Extractor to obtain the files stored in an OLE field within a Pivotal table. We have a system configured with Pivotal 5.9 and we will make use of the literature table, to which we have added an OLE type field called master document. Here we can see the table and the master document field of type OLE. Okay, if we come to the system, we can see that we have already several records with files stored in the OLE field. For example, they have a Microsoft Word document, we have an Microsoft Excel document, a PDF document, JPG. Okay, don't look at the attachment field. This is the OLE field. Here we can see this is a JPG. Okay, JPG, as I said here in the name. Okay, where's the goal? The goal is to extract all these documents to disk path specified, okay, to a specific disk path. Now we will see how to configure the Pivotal Binary Extractor to extract all these files. Okay, the Pivotal Binary Extractor consists of several files. Okay, in this case an executable file and config file and a DLL file. Okay, all these files has to be in the same directory for the product to work. Okay, if we see the .config file, we can see the parameters needed for the extraction. In this case, we're performing an OLE extraction, okay, because the pivotal field is an OLE field. Okay, we need to specify that here in this parameter binary type. Then we have the root path parameter, is the output folder where we are going to extract all the documents. In this case, we specify, say, the disks Z temp output folder. Okay, you can see this folder. We can clear all the contents of the folder. Okay, then we have the connection string. This is a standard OLE DB connection string tuned to an SQL database. Okay, we have the table parameter. We can here we need to specify the name of the table where the binary field with the binary documents or the documents are stored. In this case is the literature table. This parameter is to specify the field within the table, how to order the records of in the process. Okay, if we need the extracted records to have a specific order, we can specify that here. We are in this case we are ordering for the literature ID field. Then we can specify one or more binary fields, in this case OLE fields that have the documents stored. In this case we have only one field in the table called master document. Okay, the rest of the parameters here are used in parent-child relationships, which is not the case. Okay, I'm not describe this in detail in this case because we are not using this functionality. This parameter override existing, we can imagine, is for override the existing file. In the case that the process finds that a file already exists in the output folder, it will overwrite that file. The last parameter is for the process to create an .log file. Here in the execution folder, here beside the executable file, if we specify this parameter in true, the process will generate a .log file for the process to output all the interaction. Okay, in this case we put this parameter, the value of this parameter in false, because we are going to have the output in the console window. Okay, well, let's execute the process to see the result. Okay, as we can see, the process runs very fast. In this case, we have only 10 documents stored. We can confirm that with an SQL query. Here we have 10 documents stored in the table, and in the output folder we can see all these documents. Okay, we can see that the document is extracted with the pivotal ID of the record as the file name and the corresponding extension of the file content. Okay, we can see some of them and check the content. We can see all JPG, we can see PNG file. Okay, we can see document, the Word document. Okay, and basically this is all we need to do to extract all the type fields stored in a Pivotal table. I hope you like this video. Thanks for your attention.